Hey everyone, Jack here. I know we all want an easy side hustle that doesn't consume too much time but still brings in consistent income. Allow me 2 minutes to explain how you can do just that. First, open up a YouTube channel. If you don't already have an account, create one. It's super easy. Once you're set up, head over to YouTube's Creative Commons section. This is a goldmine for free-to-use content. Look for meditation or other trending videos that have consistent views over the years. Next, you'll need to download these videos. If you're unsure how to do this, just Google how to download YouTube videos, and you'll find plenty of options. Now, let's talk about the magic touch. Go to Beethoven.ai and create a soothing meditation soundtrack. It's an incredible tool that makes this process a breeze. Combine your new audio with the video you downloaded. For editing, I highly recommend using CapCut. It's free, user-friendly, and highly efficient. Once you've created your masterpiece, upload it back to YouTube and start getting views. Once your channel meets YouTube's monetization requirements, 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours in the past 12 months, you can apply to join the YouTube Partner Program and start earning from ads. By following these steps, you can create engaging meditation videos and potentially earn a consistent income from your YouTube channel. Thanks for listening, and happy hustling.